How to enter codes on Roblox PC or mobile on Pet Simulator X. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can go ahead and enter codes on the Roblox Pet Simulator X game and in its server, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So for that, first of all, just open the Roblox app and then join the Pet Simulator X server. I'm sure you already know how to do that. And in order to get codes, all you have to do is from the bottom you'll find this little pets icon. You just want to click on the pets icon, and once you're on the pets icon, here you'll find this option that says exclusive shop from the bottom. You just want to go to exclusive shop, and then as you're on the exclusive shop section, here you'll find the option that says redeem now, and here you'll find the option called redeem. So just click on it. Once you click on redeem, this should be the place where you can simply redeem your code. So just go ahead and paste or simply go ahead and enter any of the codes that you have. In order to get some of the rare codes, you might want to follow the developers on Twitter or following them on Instagram and so on. I'll make sure to drop a link below where you can find all these extensive codes, so you can just check that out as well. And after that, just click on the redeem option, and once you've done that, if the code is valid, you'll be able to successfully redeem those codes. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then redeem the Pet Simulator X codes. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.